the channel. So I have some online businesses like KDP, and I am trading also. So if you are someone who is new to the trading and wants to learn how I trade, I have a very high accuracy. So if you want to learn how I trade and what is the perspective of trading, do let me know in the comments. I will try to make a video on that too. So let's get back to the topic. So today's topic is KDP become saturated? So what saturation is? The saturation is when there is no probability of making money. If you are starting this business, like there is a lot of competition, then you wouldn't gonna make any money. So this is called a saturation. So is KDP saturated now? I would say a big no. A big no. KDP is not gonna set not the KDP is not saturated, and it's not gonna saturated ever. Why I'm telling this? Just take an example. It's a jar. Let's say an example it is a jar and it's full of big rocks. Like this, just bear with me. It's gonna take a little time to drop. Just stick to the video. Like this, it fills with a rock, and now people are coming and saying the jar is full. This is jar, and new publisher are coming and trying this business and saying it is saturated now, because they are saying that the jar is completely full. But you can see there's empty space too, but they are not saying, because they are saying this business from upper level. They didn't gonna go inside. So KDP is not saturated. It is never gonna saturated, because it becoming bigger and bigger day by day. New users are coming, internet is booming, so new customer are coming to Amazon to buy things. So Amazon, it's never gonna saturated. The jar is becoming bigger and bigger year by year. So you don't have to think that Amazon is gonna saturated. I don't know why someone says this it's saturated, because they will come in this business and uploaded 1000 book, and they are not making $10 or $100. So that's why they say that it's saturated. They didn't follow any rule. They are just uploading crap, and they are saying we are not selling. Man, why you will sell? There was a time when KDP is new and you just publish rubbish and you will make money. But now the time changed, because entry barrier is quite low. A lot of people are coming in this business, uploading a lot of books. That's why competition become higher, but it's not saturated now. If you know how things work, if you know how we can promote our books, which books we have to upload, which has a high demand, low availability, you will still make money, and you will make a lot of money. There are other publishers who are making a lot of money, and you can make too. So don't think Amazon is saturated. If someone is saying Amazon is saturated, I don't know why they are saying that. Stay away from that kind of people who are saying Amazon is saturated. They didn't make any money. That's why they are saying it's saturated. I am making money with it, and I will tell you it's not saturated, and it's never gonna saturated. It's never gonna saturate. Come in this way. It's a very nice opportunity. 2022 is over now, and it's time for 2023, and 2023 is the best year for publishing. If you're someone who didn't started publishing, come in this business. It's a very low entry level. If you don't have any skill, you can learn the skill. Everything is available free on the internet. So come in this business, upload books, make money. This is what it is, as simple as that. Just creating books, advertising it, and you will make money. This is how it's easy. It's very easy. So I hope you got my point. It's not saturated, and it's never gonna saturate. So if this jar become full like this, we can't add big rocks, but we can add small rocks like this. When we put small rocks, we still have the space for sand. We can put sand. If it full with sand, we can still have a space for water. So it's never gonna saturate, because jar is becoming bigger and bigger year by year. A lot of new customers are coming to Amazon to buy books, so it's never gonna saturated. So I hope you got my point. Thanks for watching this video. If you're someone who is new, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.